Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been a little bit MIA this week. I had purchased a bunch of stuff from an estate sale over the weekend, and it is sort of taking over my time right now. I am trying to get things ready to list in my shop for you from that sale. And I'm also reorganizing my entire craft room for like the 800th time because I purchased some shelves and a really cool index cabinet thingy. So that being said, I haven't done a whole lot of crafting this week. However, I will be doing a new studio tour coming up soon as I get everything sort of situated, and I will also have like a Etsy update video as soon as I am either ready or have listed at least some of the things that I purchased at this estate sale. But I wanted to come on real quick and do an Etsy shop share, a very special Etsy shop share. And then I also wanted to brag on my youngest son a little bit. So I'm gonna do that first, and then we'll do the shop share. So my kids are amazing. I don't even know if they watch my videos, but guys, if you're watching, I love you so much, and I am so proud of you, and you guys are just amazing. You are my heart. Okay, stop getting all mushy. But he coffee dyed paper on his little own, and then typed up a couple poems for me on like an actual real, typewriter, right? How cool is this? So this is a Walt Whitman poem here. And then we have a Robert Frost, like my favorite poem ever. But look at how gorgeous his coffee dyeing is, guys. I mean, seriously, he has never done this before. He's in Florida, so I was sort of giving him instructions, right, over the phone, but look at how gorgeous it is. So yeah, I'm gonna want more for sure. So this is the kind of thing that I'm hoping to be able to do and offer to you as a digital once I get one of my antique typewriters working. I say once I get it working. I'm not going to be the one working on it at all. It's my husband's hobby. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to brag on him because he's amazing. And I think this is just so much fun. He sent it to me to use in a journal, but I want to keep it. So Tyler, if you're watching, I'm going to need more that I can, use in journals because this one's mine. All right, enough of that. All right, for the very special shop share, my 10-year-old niece, Sienna, hi Sienna, has opened up her own Etsy shop along with my sister, Lisa. Hi, Lisa. And she is making earrings. And they are so cool. And I just looked this morning, and she has made some with like little Lego pieces, but there's some that have like little cherry dangles, and they're just so cute. However, her very first items were these adorable mushroom earrings. So I had to order them like immediately as soon as they were listed. They are so cute. You can get them in studs or in dangles. So let me just pull one off of here, and I will show you how stinking cute is that. I mean, come on. So once I saw the earrings, like how cute are those? I talked to my sister and I said, hey, I would like to have these in charm form, just with an eye pin and nothing else, because I want to use these as little charm dangles. So these are the same as the earrings, right? How cute are those? And I think she has different finish options. I think she gave me the option of silver or gold. But yeah, how cute. And then these are another earring option, but I got them in the charms. How cute are those? So all of my jewelry making friends, or my junk journal friends, anybody, because there's also earrings, and who doesn't love a pair of earrings, or who doesn't need a little quick gift for upcoming Christmas swaps and all that kind of stuff. Lisa and Sienna are willing to do, or not willing, they want to offer custom order for charms if you guys are interested. So all you need to do is head over to her shop. It is called Lienna Boutique, and I will put the link to her shop in the description box below, so you don't have to remember that. And you can look at what she has, but then if you want something in charm form, just send them a message and they'll let you know how that works and create a little custom order for you. How cute. I'm so excited because I have a mushroom journal planned and these are going to be so cute in it. Yeah, so please go check her out. Even if you're not interested in purchasing something right now, please just hit the little heart and favorite their shop, because first of all, as an Etsy shop owner, it is super exciting when someone favorites your shop. That's just, it's super cool. Also, you will get notifications within Etsy when they list new items. So there might be something, I know that she's working on a few different ideas. So yeah, just hit that little heart when you go to the shop, and then yeah, you'll see all the cool stuff that she has. I'm so excited for them. I have very, very creative nieces and nephews, and it makes me happy to know that they're doing what they love, and they're so young, but they are, Sienna is starting a business, and I think that's so cool. It's skills that she will use throughout her life, right? So yeah, please go and show them some love, and yeah, let them know that I sent you, and I hope that you guys, yeah, I hope you like this kind of thing. I'm very excited about these, so I can't wait to add them to a tassel. I mean, they're just the perfect little size. So, all right, I'm gonna shut up. The link is in the description box below. Please go check it out, and I will be back tomorrow with the giveaway. Now, I do want to remind you, if you have entered, please, please, please go and check your privacy settings on YouTube, because a very, very small percentage of comments so far are people that are visibly subscribed. I know it's annoying. I know that a lot of you might not know how to check that. The best thing I can tell you is Google it. Just Google, how do I change my subscription privacy settings on YouTube, okay? For your particular device, because it's, from what I can tell, it is different across all platforms. So for me to give you instructions based on, what I do, it may not be the same for you. So I can't do that. You need to look it up, but please go check, because there are many of you that have been visible in the past, for me and now aren't. And I'm thinking that might be like a YouTube, glitch kind of thing. Maybe your settings, I know it happened to me once. My settings got changed and I wasn't the one who did it. So check it often if you're entering giveaways, because I know that pretty much everybody who does giveaways wants to be able to, know that a subscriber is winning, because that's kind of the whole point of the giveaway, right? I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to exclude anyone. I want more of you to be able to enter. I want, you think that you have entered, but your privacy settings are wrong, so you really aren't entered. Does that make sense? But I can't contact everyone individually. So please, 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 before tomorrow morning, go and check your settings if you have entered the giveaway. All right? Okay, guys. Yeah, and go check out Lisa and Sienna's shop. And I will see you tomorrow. And then I promise next week I will be back to some crafting videos. And, possibly I'll be ready for the studio tour. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.